Understanding forensic physical evidence, how it works. Imagine walking into a room and finding a tiny fingerprint on a glass or a streak of blood on the floor. These small clues can tell a big story in a court case. That's where physical evidence comes in. It's made up of tangible objects or materials collected from a crime scene that can be seen, touched, or scientifically examined. This evidence helps investigators piece together what happened and who might be involved. Physical evidence includes many different items. Think about weapons like guns or knives, fingerprints left on surfaces, bloodstains, hair, fibers from clothing, or even soil and gunshot residue. Each of these items can be analyzed to find out more about the crime. Law enforcement officers and forensic experts collect these items carefully to avoid contamination or damage. They use special tools and techniques to preserve the evidence just as it was found. The process starts right at the crime scene. Investigators document everything with photographs and notes. They collect evidence using gloves, tweezers, or brushes to prevent leaving their own marks. For example, bloodstains might be photographed, then preserved with chemical sprays or by casting impressions. Every piece of evidence is logged into a chain of custody record, which tracks who handled it and when. This record is very important for court because it proves the evidence was kept in proper condition. Once collected, the evidence goes to a forensic laboratory. Here, specialists use scientific methods to analyze it. Fingerprint experts compare prints to known individuals. DNA analysts examine genetic material to identify suspects or victims. Ballistics experts study bullets and firearms to see if they match a weapon used in the crime. These tests help reconstruct what happened and connect suspects to the scene. In court, physical evidence must meet certain legal standards to be accepted. Judges decide if the evidence is relevant and if it was collected and preserved properly. Prosecutors must prove that the evidence is authentic and that it belongs to the case. They do this through witness testimony from officers and forensic scientists who handled and analyzed the evidence. Physical evidence has a strong impact on juries because it offers concrete proof. It helps confirm witness statements or challenge false claims. But not all physical evidence is automatically accepted. It must be clearly linked to the crime and handled with strict protocols to avoid challenges from the defense. In the end, forensic physical evidence works by providing scientifically verified, tangible proof that supports legal arguments. It helps link suspects to crimes, verify what witnesses say, and guide judges and juries to make informed decisions. Proper collection, careful preservation, detailed analysis, and clear presentation are all key to making sure physical evidence does its job well in the justice system.